Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on when you are coming across this video. So, let's walk through Azure creation, right? For you to create an Azure account, you need to have an Outlook account, okay? You can't use Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or any other email because an Azure account is owned by Microsoft, so they both work together. So in order to create an Azure account, let's us first of all start with creating Outlook account. And for the purpose of this video, I'll be making use of my incognito mode. Yeah, my private browser. So let's go to Chrome web browser. Ah, I'm already in incognito mode in Chrome. Okay, so this is I want to close this one so it doesn't confuse us. So this is my normal web browser on Chrome, right? I'll click on this triple dot and we are in incognito mode. Now let's type Outlook account, enter, create your Microsoft account. You click on it. So after clicking on create your Microsoft account, it brings you to this place where you put in your new email. Because I already have an Outlook account, um, how do we do this now? Let me use temp email. Temp email is a temporary email that I just want to use for the sake of this video to show you a step-by-step guide. So I'll click on temp mail and click on the first one here. You click I'm a woman. I'm a human. I'm a human. Yeah. So the temp email is loading. Copy. Copy your email and put it right here. Please, when you are creating yours, try to use original email. Okay? Try to use your original or your real, should I say your real email. So let's click on next. Oh, damn. Okay, this may not work, but okay, next. Did you notice what I did? I deleted at that.com. I used just soge53803. I used only that. So password. I will use hash, right? Let's try hash. Hash be Berna at 84. Hash Berna at 84. Next, I'll just choose a random date because this is just for record purpose. I don't intend to use this account for anything. First name, I'll write Chika or Daily. I'm just writing anything that's coming to my head. Chika Odili. Last name. Okay, okay. I don't want to get it. Then next, let's prove you're a human. So yes, this worked. I don't want to save this passkey, so I'll cancel it. We couldn't create a passkey. I don't want a passkey, so I'll cancel it again. Do you remember the password we used for this Outlook account? Because that's what we are going to use to sign in into our Azure account. Do you remember? I think I used Bena at 84 and Soke, the email address actually. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, SOGEJ53803 at outlook.com. Okay, now that we have an Outlook account, just click on the next tab. Let's create an Azure. So you type Azure free tier account. Type everything in full. Azure free tier account. The security on Microsoft is top notch, so you don't want to compromise on anything. So you click on this first option. Click on try Azure for free. So remember the email we just created, right? The Outlook email we just created. SOGEJ 5380 at outlook.com. So yeah, this is for personal use. You choose your country. Chikodile Keke. I'm laughing because this was phone number. I'll just put any phone number there because if I use my own, it may not fly. 0706513600. Let's even see if that works. So you click on next. Address line. I don't want to receive any information. I'll rather click this. What address are you going to use? Any address should work. Let's get an address in Port Harcourt. No, because I'm using incognito window. I think I know what to use. 11 LGG. Click on next. So we're going to use this address. It's loading. So this is where it requires me to put my card details. Please and please do not use any of your dollar virtual cards. You can only use your Nigerian physical masters or Visa card. A card from Zenith Bank Mastercard has been proven to work. A card from GTB UBA has proven to work. If you use any virtual dollar card, it's going to tell you that you're not eligible to have um, Azure free account. It will automatically direct you to create a pay as you go account. Okay, pay attention to this, it's very important. So you input the card number. I'm not going to put my card details because I already have an account. This is just a step-by-step video guide. I am trying to, show you. So next we click on sign up. It's not going to fly. I know it says card number required. Okay, even if I put my card number, do you know it's not going to work because it's won't tally with the name here. Check out the little cake. So, but then let me take you to my domain, sorry, to my Notion, so I could show you where it will take you to the next step. So this is my Notion. I use Notion to document every process. Um, after you've put in your card details, right? Yeah, this is where we are. After you've put in your card details, you click on sign up. It brings you to this particular stage. It says protect your account. Enabling multi-factor authentication can block more than 99.9% of identity attacks. Okay, so this is where you have to impute another email address. That's like another level of security. By the time you click on this next, it will bring you to the page where you will put your alternative email address. This time around, it can be Gmail, Yahoo Mail, any other email. You can work this time. They will send a code to that email. You input it on the page that will be loaded by the time you click on next. After you input the code there, it tells you welcome to Azure, and Tana, you've created your Azure account. I'm not sure if my Azure account is still open, otherwise I've closed it. I would have shown you the home page. Okay, let me sign in and show you what my Azure account looks like. Azure free tier account. Enter. Looks like I'm having headache. It's loading. Calm down. So I'll rather sign in because I already have an account. My email is Maki Enterprise at outlook.com. sent a code to my Gmail. Remember, I told you that there is some level of security that will be required. So, this is not my Gmail. Okay, this is it actually. Let's get it. Let me refresh. Wait, let's go back to that page. It has been sent to. I did not get the code. Should people are saying now. Let's go back to this page. This was the one they sent the first time. Let me pause this video. Okay, so I was the one who did not read the instruction carefully. I was thinking they said they already sent the code, but what they said is we will send a code to my alternative email that I inputted before to verify this is your email. Enter it here. So what I needed to do was to enter the alternative email here. So it's now that I can go and look for the code and I'll find it. You see, they've sent it. Oh, this is stressing me a little. Double three double five 34 double three double five 34. Ha, wahala. If Maki Enterprise matches the email address on your account, we will send you. Please let me use my password. How did I get to this place? I don't understand. Well, I've taught you how to create Azure account. At this point, I'm ending this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.